Hey guys, it's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have a quick little video on how to change the oil on my 2002 Subaru WRX. It's in dire change of new oil. So we're gonna do it as quickly as possible because we have a very nasty thunderstorm on its way here. I have maybe half an hour to do it, so let's see how quickly I can get it done. Let's get started. We got the usual suspects here. We got the oil filter wrench, we got a torque wrench, we got another wrench, we have our impact gun in case we gotta hurry up. I'm using this oil right here because it's pretty inexpensive and it's decent, and I change my oil out pretty frequently anyway, so I'm just gonna use this oil, no big deal there. 5W30, and I got my jack stands down here. So let's go ahead and lift this car up and get her done. So since I'm running out of time, I don't really have too much time to talk to you guys. So I have my handy dandy oil filter wrench locking, which is my favorite. Link in the description if you'd like one. Car is on jack stands in case you guys are thinking I'm an idiot. I'm not most of the time anyway. And this is a 17mm right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, drain it, and then take this off, put a new one on, and go from there. Since I'm pressed for time, first I'm going to test, make sure it's not completely loose, because if it is, just use this. Oh, that's completely loose. Thank God I didn't use the impact gun. Would have made a mess. Let's start the draining festivities. And this thing will cooperate. Come on. Lovely. Yeah, very dark, nasty oil. Definitely needed to be changed. See there? Pretty much done dripping. So I'm gonna put my plug back in. Fun note here. Remember when I thought I had a leaky plug because they were reusing the crush washer? Well, actually there was no crush washer. No matter. Not a big deal. I put a new crush washer back in. We should have no more leaks coming from here. There we go. And then set it to 35 foot-pounds and tighten. This is the torque wrench. There it is, 35 foot-pounds. Now it's time for the oil filter. This always makes me a little bit messy, but first I'm gonna loosen it up. Come on, there you go. Beautiful. Now it's hand. Put the bucket under it. And stop the messiness. Ugh. The worst. So messy. So messy. But that's okay. We got it off. Ah, that wind is picking up. You know what that means? Storms are brewing. Better hurry up. So I have a K&N filter just because what you didn't see off camera was I filled it up about halfway, a little bit more than halfway, with brand new oil. And I also lubed up that O-ring of the filter. So we should be all good to go there. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit more and we'll be set. And let's add the oil. So as I fill this up, funny story about this car, I actually did my first ever oil change ever on this very car. Oh, back in 2003. 15 years ago, I did my own oil change on this very car. Isn't that amazing? And now we're doing one again. Very easy, very simple. Alright, we stopped there. I'm going to measure it up now. Gotta get this out of the way. So the car, of course, has to be level before you're able to measure the oil that's in the sump properly. So I'm going to go ahead and lower it, and then we'll measure it up. Alright, still showing low. We'll add a little bit more. And there we have it. Good. Almost at the max line. Oh boy, that rain is coming and it's not gonna let up. Let's close this puppy up. Look at that storm coming right this direction. We finished just in time with the oil change. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. Nice and short and sweet. I changed the oil, brand new fresh oil for the Project Bugeye. It's gonna love it, of course, when I turn it on. I'm gonna get a brand new battery and we're gonna turn on the Subaru. We're gonna go for a little drive. So we are all going to enjoy that, especially me. Thanks for watching as usual. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. As you can see, it's quite the serious storm. We already lost power.